Well, my name is Bob McGuffey, and I've had bad teeth for decades. It got worse and worse, and I hid my smile. I kept a scowl on my face all the time so people wouldn't talk to me. It reached a point where I'd bite something, and I would literally have a tooth fall out of my head. I didn't do this, for cosmetics. That was really the furthest thing from my mind. But I'll tell you what, when he handed me that mirror, oh my God. I mean, I'll be honest, I teared up.
Oh my God, I'm 18 again.
I literally had tears running down my face. I hadn't seen that smile in 40 years. It was like waking up from a bad dream, really.
Wow. Well, that was a look at Bob McGuffey's experience getting his brand new smile.
And the smile on his face really says it all, doesn't it?
Yes.
So the doctor behind it all, Dr. Michelle Azar with Texas Dental Implant Center, is joining us now in studio. That was really cool to see the transformation for this guy. And when it comes to doing an implant and getting a brand new smile like this, I feel like there are a lot of dentists out there who do implants, right? But your training is different. You are a specialist, which means you literally had 3 extra years of training, is that right?
Yeah, so right after the dental school graduation, you can practice anything in the dental school. But then you can make a decision to specialize in specific procedures. For my specialty, it's mainly dental implants.
Wow.
So I'm a periodontist by training. It's a 3-year program. And then we do all the severe cases in these 3 years in this residency.
Well, just to hear his testimony and say, I scowled so I wouldn't have to smile. You are working on smiles nonstop, and you really have a special connection because you actually lost your front teeth when you lost teeth when you were younger. Tell us about that.
So that's a funny story. I've never been to a dentist before that. And then my first visit to the dentist was when I broke my front 2 teeth. And then I can see how much life-changing that was, my confidence level, my comfort with meeting people and smiling. And then after I got the 2 teeth fixed, that changed a lot. And then I thought that's a very cool career to pursue.
Wow, so the confidence you felt having your teeth fixed, that's what inspired you to become a dentist.
Yeah,
Wow.
and becoming a gentle dentist, because there's a lot of challenges that comes in when someone comes to your dental office.
Well, and I'm glad you mentioned the challenges. And in the story we just saw, when he talked about biting into any type of food and literally having teeth fall out of his mouth, your team has kind of seen it all, right? You take on some very extreme cases.
Right. Our patients, when they come to seek treatment with us, they've been struggling for years, either with a smile that they can't really show to everyone. They've been wearing masks. They're claiming that COVID is letting them to wear the mask. But then when they come and we offer them a solution within 24 hours, it's a big change for them.
Yeah, and we can see some of those changes on our screen right now.
It is
Before and afters are incredible.
It is night and day difference. It changes someone's whole face, even the way their eyes just light up. And you have a trademark procedure that you can do full mouth reconstructions using the latest technology.
Right. So after 2 years of development, we developed or trademarked our process. It's a variation of full mouth reconstruction called One Arch. And within that technology, we use the digital help here to minimize the visits of the patients and also get very accurate results. There's no more the old way of doing impressions and getting all that dough stuff into your mouth, which causes gag. Everything is detected by the computer, and the teeth are also designed by the computer.
Wow, I mean, they look beautiful, and this is something that will last. And because you are a specialist, you, Dr. Azar, you're getting cases referred to you that other professionals, other dentists just can't handle. Is that right?
Yeah. So we've been known in our implant center, either we're doing revision cases where a previous attempt to do full mouth implants had failed, or someone who had no bone or was told that you cannot get implants, and then they get referred to us using more advanced bone augmentation or implant techniques.
Wow. And you actually are offering something special like that for the viewers of this show. So let's talk about that. The Texas Dental Center Implant Center has an offer for Houston Life viewers. The first 20 callers, they get a free complimentary consultation with Dr. Azar after a short pre-qualification. This is a call. It'll include a one-on-one consultation with Dr. Azar. You'll get a 3D scan. You'll get x-rays, which are a $1,000 value.
And if you'd like to schedule your appointment, you can call 713-322-5056. You can also visit them online at bestdentalimplantshouston.com. Dr. Azar and his team are skilled in most all dental issues, as you've just heard, can even handle the most severe cases. So, Dr. Michelle Azar, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Incredible, life-changing. Houston Life will be right back.